This is the assembly instructions for the Pro 12 laser comb. Start with the insert. What you're going to do is fold up the ends, starting with this one, which is the top, as originally designed. Sometimes it'll catch there, you just gotta position it straight. Then on the bottom one, this is what we made room for the USB insert, so you'll place that inside here as you're assembling it. Close this like so, and then you're ready to insert the base and then the lid. I don't have the right device sample, so this isn't fitting necessarily, but it's for demonstration purposes. Once you insert the device, it'll be held like this, and then you're going to quickly assemble the box. Just kind of fold it like so, close the top on one end, and then before you close the bottom, you're going to insert the tabs facing the front flap. So you'll take the device in its tray, slide it in like so, and as you'll see here, you should have those tabs facing the top, and what that does is it allows clearance for this feature. And you can close the box, and it's ready to go into the sleeve. You place the sleeve just like that.